Have you ever wondered how that simple appliance that you use every day, your toaster, works? This is the view from the bottom with all the covers removed of my old Proctor silex. I'm pointing out some of the key components. The release switch, which allows the toast to pop when it's done. The release switch actuator, which is a rod that bends as the toaster heats up and activates the release switch. The coarse adjustment knob, which moves the release switch housing so that the latch releases sooner or later, and the fine adjustment lever, which does the same thing. I use the pencil to point out how the actuator can be moved towards the switch. You can see as I move the adjustment lever that the switch moves away from the actuator, and as I move the knob, the same thing happens. As I turn it over, you can see the slots where the bread is cooked. There's a heating coil on both sides of the center wall and one on each outside wall. The cat does a quick cameo, but just ignore that. As I turn it again, you'll be looking at the front, and I'll point out the electromagnet that releases the latch, and to operate the latch release manually. This is an electrical schematic of the operation. When the button is pushed down, S1 is closed and the hold down is latched. As the current heats up the coils and cooks the bread, the actuator begins to bend. Depending on where you have the control set, the actuator eventually closes S2. Current then flows through the electromagnet, which pivots the latch and allows the toast to pop. This opens S1 and we're ready for the next batch to be loaded.